I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is an answer to the question of who makes the Swiffer. So if you look at the Swiffer itself, it's sort of a mystery, it doesn't say anything on here. What you actually have to do is look at the box. So if you look on the box, again, nothing obvious, but if we turn it over and we keep looking, you can see subtly down in the corner here, hidden like orange on orange text, the actual parent company of Swiffer. So the company is not called Swiffer, it is Procter & Gamble, the P&G logo you can see on here. And Procter & Gamble is a company that makes a ton of different consumer and household products, and they have lots and lots of different brands, including Swiffer, under their overall umbrella. A lot of people probably, maybe you've heard of them, maybe you haven't. You've probably used and probably frequently used their other brands, but it's very, very subtle. Again, nothing on the product itself, and barely anything. It's like hidden back here with the barcode is even bigger to find the actual parent company. But there it is, Procter & Gamble is the parent company for Swiffer, and they're the ones who make the Swiffer products.